Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a flea market haul. And I got one item for free and the rest I bought. At the flea market, I ended up talking to the lady that sold me all the stuff. She has a store and I'm definitely going to check her out. And they're all the same prices as it is in the flea market. So let's get started with this haul. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, the first thing I picked up at the flea market was this CD here. It's a little bit dusty. I gotta wipe it down. I always clean everything when I buy stuff at the flea market. But this is a Jeffrey Osborne CD. Now I don't know what's on here, but I picked it up anyway. So I got that one. Who does not love Jeffrey Osborne? Then I got this Britney Spears CD. Everything was $1. That's it. Then I got In Vogue. So I got the In Vogue CD. It just didn't have a front cover on it, but it has, like, you know, I gotta clean them. So I got this CD. This one's got a lot of hip hop music on here, all different types of people on here. It's a nice mixture of stuff. I'm so excited. And then I picked up this CD. It's only one. It doesn't have no case, and it says the best of Tupac. So I got Tupac right here. Oh my God, I love Tupac Shakur. Then I got this one here. I got a Ja Rule. Then I got this big thick one. It's got 4 CDs in here. It's from EMI Latin, EMI whatever. It says jams and all that. So I'm not sure if it's Spanish or if it's English, or maybe it's freestyle. Who knows? But for $1, why not? You know, I could give it a try. Got those. Then I got this one here. This one is Herbie Hancock. Like, oh my God, from the 80s. Herbie Hancock, what? I got that CD. Then I got this CD. I got Vanessa Williams. I got Aaliyah. Like, who don't remember Aaliyah? This is like the last album she made before she passed away in the plane crash. Yeah, that's Aaliyah. Then I got this for $1. This is brand new. Brand new. It's still sealed. See that? Brand new. And I just saw this at the Walmart for $20. They have this, the Disney Meet the Robinsons. Got it for $1. Brand new. Then I got this movie, Ice Age. Then I got this movie, DMX, Never Die Alone. I got this CD. This one is, let's see. I don't know if you could see the name of it. Oh, this is Nas. Okay, I got Nas. So remember, my son picked up Nas. The lady gave me this for free. It's brand new. It's still sealed up. So my son wanted this. Blink. What is it called? Blink 123, or I don't know. He wanted that one. It was free. It was brand new. This one here, I got the Ultimate Doo-Wop Collection. And I got a whole bunch of doo-wop, like, oldies on here. I want to clean this and check it out. Then I got this big collection of Elvis. Elvis Presley, guys. Then I got this CD. This one is, it says, Blazing Hip Hop and R&B. Then I got this one. It's called the Street Jams. So I don't know what they are, but I grabbed it anyway. Then I got Dionne Warwick. Oh my God. Love Dionne Warwick. Dionne Warwick. Got some AB Cumbia Kings. This is Selena's brother. Selena's brother, and he's the Cumbia Kings. So that's AB. Then I got this PlayStation game, Crash Bandicoot. PlayStation. I got another Jeffrey Osborne. Oh my God. This, I guess this is when he was younger. He looks a little bit younger there. Jeffrey Osborne. I got some Jay-Z. Milli Vanilli, like Milli Vanilli, guys. The CD, Milli Vanilli. Funny as shit. And then the last one is the Janet Jackson Rhythm Nation. You know, I love my Janet Jackson. Girl, I love Janet Jackson. All right. So that's all the stuff I picked up at the flea market today. I'm so excited. I spoke to the lady. She has millions of movies and CDs and a lot of stuff. And everything is $1. So I'm definitely going to check out her store. But anyway, thanks for watching this quick flea market haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.